Hello everyone. So you can't see me because I need to let my camera down some. So let me get up and adjust this. Guys, I painted my today I got on a black sweater and just a lace cami and some jeans. And so I'm still at work. It's in the evening and I decided I'm gonna go ahead and make some content. And I'm not going to edit or try to fix anything. Now, hopefully that's better. It's a little better. And you probably saying, Latasha, get to, that's my name, Latasha. Get to this video. Okay, so I'm going to change out my purse today. So I figured I would go ahead and do unboxing, unbagging. I purchased this bag. It may have been last year. During the holiday season. So a lot of the bags that I'm unboxing or unbagging I've had for a while. This is part of my pink collection. So let's just go ahead and get to it now that I have adjusted my camera. So and I'm ready to move into this bag, so I figured I would go ahead and do an unboxing with you guys. So it is the Michael Kors. This is in Smoky Rose. It's the mid pocket shoulder leather bag. So if you remember, I did like a Balenciaga dupe in the black. They have it in pink too. And I actually bought this one before I bought the black because right now I'm just obsessed with pink. My glam room is going to have some pink in it. And per usual, I did not bring my scissors, but I'm going to try to keep this clean and cute. This bag, I like the color. Stuff still flying. I did get this from Amazon, and I will have the link below. And it is an affiliate link, so if you use the link, I may or may not get a commission. And again, this is still in February. I'm gonna try to have these videos put together and ready for everyone to see. It comes with the booklet. I'm going to keep it in there. It does not have a zip. It just has a little small slip pocket, but we have all of this real estate in the front. And I was just ready to use this bag. Right now I am carrying a dooney, and I'm going to get up and grab that. I did do an unboxing. I have yet to upload that video, but it will come out before this one. And I'm going to do, just looking to make sure you guys are still here. This has a detachable piece, and that's what I love about it. I'm going to make it more of a shoulder, and I think my black one, I have the part right here. Here. And are you still there? Yep, you guys are still there. Okay. And I have a full screen. Hopefully it turned out right. So this is how I'm going to carry it. Just where it meets. And I like the black carry. I really did. And like I said, I purchased this one first. Okay, so I've put everything together and I've taken out all the paper except over here. Okay. And this is one of these bags I stumbled on and I liked it. And I just went ahead and purchased it. It's not trending. No one was talking about it. I just was on Amazon shopping and I seen it and I really, really liked it. And then when I started doing research, I found out that Balenciaga made like a super busy, and which is really similar to this bag. And I went looked at a couple of videos on their super busy, and someone had one video of the pink, and like I said, it's like a smoky pink. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so this is what I'm carrying right now, and I'm gonna do a quick review real quick on this bag. Okay, so this is what it looked like. This is what I'm carrying. And this is my little embellishments. And this is the Greta Fuchsia Kenra. I have a beef. This is really rough. Like the zipper part coming in and out has been scratching my hands all week. I don't know if this bag needs a patina. I don't know. It was one of my wish list items. So um I like it visually, but functionality, it really was scraping my hands. I didn't use the side pockets this week. I did do an insert, which I'm going to pull out now. I can't move my insert into the I think this is a Dakota. I think that's the name of the bag. Yes, that's everything was inside the insert, and this is what the insert looked like. But I don't think it's gonna hold. It probably could hold a smaller insert, or the inside of this insert. I'm gonna just move over everything into this bag. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I brought, I brought still staying with the pink. So this is like our last week. We have one more week. Today's the 23rd. So this is our last week in February. And I did not get a chance to carry my Dooney and Burke Fuchsia Florentine bag like I intended to do. But I'm still going to carry it sometime this year. I just wanted to carry it this uh, holiday season, Valentine's Day. It's hair clip and just some coins that fell out of my um, purse. I'm just gonna use my Ricola here. Put them, oh, put them right here. And just some tissue. I can put right here. And that is that. I'm ready to carry this purse. Because the only thing I'm really going to be grabbing out of here is my corn purse and or my wristlet. And I am good to go with this bag. This is what I'm going to carry. I did bring some. I thought I did. I brought a few. I always bring wallets that I never change into. I got to do better. And I buy these wristlets and stuff so I can use them. Oh, I do want to bring this with it. So I'm going to keep the brown. And I have a little pink and brown. And that's all I'm going to put on this. So I was going to change into these, but I'm not. I don't feel like it. Okay. So that's all I'm going to put on this purse right here. It's just a little bit. And I'm going to cut the tag. Ooh, I really need to start bringing my scissors over with me. And I'm going to put this in with the booklet. And that's it. That's how she looked. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to leave her alone. And like I said, I was going to change out wallets, but I can keep what I have. Maybe next week I'll change out my actual small leather goods because I've never used it. And the other one I have though, it is the Coach one. I was going to change it into this, but I'm not. I'm going to leave it alone. And this is going to be my carry until next Monday or Tuesday. And these little things, I added the pink. And I just bought this all together. It's like the pretzel and the chocolate you can get on Amazon. I will link that below. I will link everything below the video from this video, like this purse and like I said, the charms. And that's it. I put my Ricola there, Kleenex there, and I just left these empty. I'm not even going to fill them because I will be moving out of this bag in a week into a new bag. And there you have it, everyone. Look at her stomach. It's going down. Her stomach is going down. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And just give you a quick little close up. The charm. The back. It has Michael Kors on the back. This is silver hardware. I think the black has silver hardware as well. The plum color one does have gold hardware if you opt out of that. But I had to have this one in the black one because these are too cute. This bag is cute. I like it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in another unboxing. Bye. Thank you for watching.